Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this motorcycle helmet that this brand sent to me for the video, which I gotta say that not only because it is a modular helmet, as you can see over here, that you can flip it easily, just like that, also because it looks fantastic and it feels really good. I don't have motorcycles anymore, but I used to had, I think I had about 11 in a span, no, 7 in a span of 11 years. So I know a lot of motorcycle helmets, and this one will be one that I would recommend if you want to get something like this with this mirror visor over here that is fantastic. But not only that, this one is also, which I'm going to show you in a close-up in a few seconds, also has the flip-up goggles right here for the UV lights and the sunlight. So that is really good to have. It feels really good, and inside it is really comfy, besides having the modular segment. But that's not all. This one, besides it coming with its own bag over here, as you're gonna see, it also comes with a USB-C cable that you may think, why is that it comes with that? It's just because right here you're gonna find a brake light that is gonna put red when it's at night. You can put it red just to make sure that you are being visible, that you are not invisible, that people, actually drivers, can see you. And you have that red light over here that is rechargeable, that you can set up easily with just the turn off button over here, and a USB-A port for charging purposes over there, entirely waterproof. Let's take a closer look before I put it on. So as I was telling you before, this one is entirely modular, but you can see that comes with the reflective visor over here, which I think it is fantastic and it looks really cool. You have ventilation over here as well as right here on the top as well. And then when you put this one up from the edge over here, you're gonna find the UV light or sunlight goggles over there for polarized actually. And then when I was just telling you before, this one over here comes with the switch, which is gonna be right here. Once that you put this one, let me actually do it this way. Once that you put this one over here, just check it out, this one right here goes to the bottom, and you have the modular helmet, which you're gonna see that comes right here with a really nice memory foam pad. That's not all. As I was just telling you before, this, you're gonna find the red light that you will turn on with this one, which I gotta say that you have also this one over here, which I think it is really cool for when you're stopping or when you're turning, or just if you want to be visible at night. Let me see if you can see better over there. I think this thing, it is really cool to have. Let me actually put it on right now. Just know that the audio is not going to be the same just because my microphone is in another place, but this one over here with the lock, just like that, perfect. And then you have the modular system over here, the modular feature, which I think it is really cool. You also have the goggles, as you can see. And then of course you can just lift this one down again and just make sure that it clicks. And once that it clicks, you are all set. You can lift this one up and you have the perfect full face helmet, motorcycle helmet. I like this one. I totally recommend it. Thanks for watching and see you soon.